Hey, welcome back to the weekly dance tutorial. Today we're gonna learn how to do some shoulder hits. So this is what it looks like, normal speed. And I'm not using any of my arm muscles to hit. I'm not using any chest, nothing, none of this, none of that. Okay, it's purely just from moving my shoulders up and down. So up and down, just shrugging my shoulders like whatever, whatever, whatever. This is what it looks like in slow-mo. The theory behind it is you're pretty much lifting up your shoulders straight up, okay? And then you're pulling them back down. Or not, you're not necessarily just dropping them, but you're controlling that drop. Okay, you're controlling the speed going up and the speed going down. Right now the speed is at, I would say, a level 1. This is level 1. And if it's a level 2, it'll go a little faster. Okay, so you basically want to speed it all the way up until you can't speed it up anymore for your own shoulders. Okay, so you want to be able to go up as fast as you can and down as fast as you can. So this is how fast I could go for going up, is just like this. And I'm only going up about an inch, maybe less than an inch, and I'm stopping. So you want to stop abruptly and then bring it down and also stop. But you want to do it so fast, right, that it's almost like a twitch. Like a little twitch. Okay, and then if you could try and do it even faster, it would be even cleaner. Like, the way you practice the shoulder hit is you pretty much have to put on a song or whatever, and you have to do it at a specific rhythm, and you want to be able to practice waiting and moving it only when you hear the sound that you want to hit, because it's really easy to go up and then hit down on the beat instead of waiting for it and then hitting up and down when you hear the beat. Okay, because you don't want to do this too early. Okay, because it's really easy to just do this early. And another thing you really don't want to do is to go too much up and then too much down. You don't even have to move it this high up. Like, it doesn't have to even be that high, because then you're just gonna look like you're shrugging your shoulders. You know, you don't want to do that. You want to keep it small and keep it tight, and then you want to keep it intense at a very short distance. Okay, those are the key words: intensity at a really short distance to create a twitch. Okay, and you want to create that little shoulder hit. And then when you add that with your arms, with the chest, it'll pretty much complete the rest of your entire body's overall pop. Okay, so this is a shoulder hit by itself, and then this is a shoulder hit with my arms. So this is the arm hit, right? You're just snapping it and then adding the shoulder. And then adding the chest. Okay, so it gets progressively larger, like the intensity and the amount of your pop gets stronger when you add all these little different parts to create a bigger picture. Okay, and remember, the key word is little, because if you did too much of one thing, it'll just look off, and it'll look like you're moving things that aren't supposed to move. But because what a pop should look like is your body is just popping, like it's just making a big pop. If you're popping your arm, you don't want to know where the hit is coming from. You kind of want to hide the hit in a way where, like, where is that energy coming from? It just looks like the whole thing is shaking, you know? So you don't want to, like, snap your arm like this. Like, you don't want to just, like, snap your wrist like this and like go like this and make big movements, right? Because then it's just gonna lose the illusion of like the pop. Like you're still moving, but just not huge, okay? Same thing for the shoulder hit. Don't go like this. Just go like this. Keep it small and short distance, but the intensity, keep it strong. Make it really fast. Like the faster you go, you'll start to notice like these muscles activating right here and these muscles right here. Like all of this will flex and it'll cause like your whole entire body to pretty much shake a little bit, okay? So yeah, those are shoulder hits. If you have any questions about that and how to execute it even better, just let me know in the comments or let me know on Instagram at can.poriotics, and I'll see you next time.